What's up, guys? It's Drifts and Lifts here. All right, so today's episode, we got a lot of gravy for you guys. I'm actually brewing up a batch right now. I got my ladle and my my gravy boat, and yeah, we're making some really nice stuff today. So as you can see, we're at the river. We got the 940, Harold the off-road 940. So if you watched the last video, you'll know that you know, we got all the off-road stuff on it and we went and tested it out. It was pretty good, although we did damage a few things, and I actually improved a couple things this time around. So last time out we had the G80 locker, so that wasn't the greatest because it kept kind of opening up on us. One tire was spinning and then the other one wasn't. So we were actually getting stuck in random places that we shouldn't have got stuck in. So what I did is I put a 410 welded open differential. So it's an open differential with welded spider gears now. Proper, true locker. Both tires are gonna spin unless we break an axle shaft. That's the only thing. But so last time we actually popped our quad tires as well. Actually, we didn't do that on video. We did that like after the video. So I got another set of quad tires mounted. Who knows how long these are gonna last. If they do pop, I brought another set of like car tires for us. So in the front, I did a different suspension setup. What I've noticed, river beating and taking them out on this kind of off-road terrain, it does not take long for the stock shocks to blow. These were done, they were good shocks when I put them in there, and like 2 sessions out here, a couple of jumps later, they were leaking oil out of them pretty bad. So I put some Bilstein HD shocks in the front, and I also went with a stiffer spring. I don't know if it's gonna be good. It feels a little rigid as far as soaking up the bumps, just you know, driving kind of in a straight line, but I'm hoping for jumping, the rigid's gonna help us out because we won't bottom out so bad. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. The motor still runs really good, and I actually replaced the engine mounts, changed them to a manual set of engine mounts with like the puck style, because these cars are factory hydraulic engine mount, and they're kind of weak and they're getting pretty floppy, so I changed them out. So other than that, that's pretty much all I did. I took the sway bars out. That's one more thing. So now we got a little bit more, the axle can kind of do what it wants a bit more. So yeah, what we're gonna do, guys, we brought some shovels and a rake. So the main goal of today is gonna be how far we can jump this thing. We're gonna go build a jump. I want a distance jump. We're not going for height by any means, because that's how you destroy your back and your car. So we're gonna make a really like mild, kind of a sender jump, and it'll be out on the flats, and we're gonna get a lot of speed, hopefully get up to 100 kilometers an hour plus, and yeah, we'll kind of see what happens. So we're gonna try to make this jump really nice, and hopefully it sends the car really level, because last time I jumped it, it really nosedived pretty hard, and that's how you kind of, you know, destroy stuff in the front end. So yeah, let's go have some fun, guys. All right, guys, so I'm sweating my tits off. Shoveling's pretty hard, actually. So yeah, we kind of took a bit of dirt out of this area. There's a couple weird little bumps, and then we put the dirt kind of in the middle of the jump so the takeoff isn't quite as aggressive. Should be good enough. I'm gonna take the car and kind of pack it out right now, and I'm gonna try our first air time. You guys think my girlfriend can jump a car better than I can? Let us know in the comments before you watch it. What do you guys think? The hell? Woo! Okay, I'm gonna take you guys over my helmet because I care about safety. I'm not gonna wear a mask though. First test jump. See how she goes. It's too much of a kicker. I'm gonna die. If I go really fast off that, I'm gonna die. It's such a kicker.
It is, eh?
Dude, I think I let off the throttle when I was jumping though, so maybe I should try to hold it pinned off the jump, see if it changes anything. Dude, I'm gonna try to go harder this time.
Yeah.
The front suspension's way better though.
Yeah.
Like it cushioned it more. Alright. Holy f***. Oh my god. Okay, I think I broke something. Holy shit. Okay, that jump is way too aggressive. Holy f***.
Those people loved it.
That hurts so bad.
Dude, those people loved it over there.
Oh man, that was harsh. That kicked my back end up so high.
Oh man.
Is my car destroyed?
People are cheering, eh?
Pretty good. Dude, how far did I go? There?
Something like that, yeah.
Holy. Alright guys, so as you saw that last one there, I don't know how fast I was going. I wasn't looking at the speedometer, but it was probably around like 90, 100 or something. Yeah, that sent me so high. Like, oh my gosh, that hurt pretty good inside the car. My neck feels a little bit interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna modify the jump a little bit more so that my girlfriend can attempt it. Yeah, I don't want to destroy the 940 because that hit really hard on the front bumper. But one thing I will say though is these Bilstein shocks with the stiffer springs are way better for jumping. I could definitely, it actually cushioned it instead of going right to the bump stop. So yeah, we're gonna modify this a bit and we're gonna go a couple more sends off it. And then we're gonna kind of tool around in here. I'll show you guys how well the welded diff works in the sand and stuff. And yeah, just film some cool stuff. Something's loose.
Big Colton's G string. Oh, Stumpy! Get out. Oh my god. Holy crap. That was intense, dude.
I was just thrashing at that point. Did it survive though? It's got some mad clunk in the front now. Dude, I popped so high there. Oh my gosh. Way better with the welded though. It's awesome.
Yeah, it looks way funner.
Oh, I broke it.
Broken.
Oh no, Sarah's gonna be pissed.
Wait, let me focus on
We just got a new GoPro.
Donate to the channel, people.
Dude. Oh no. Yeah, so that was a pretty close call. I was coming in pretty hot. I was just like foot to the floor. I was really getting the adrenaline going. And I was coming in here, and it's lucky I didn't continue into it. I actually didn't know there was a big ledge here in the Fraser River right there. So yeah, luckily the Fraser didn't take a Volvo down to the frickin' ocean.
Yeah, that would have been bad if he went off this ledge. Broken suspension.
No, the spring popped out. I wonder when that happened. Take a look under there, guys. Damn. Oh, I should re-jank that right now. Whatever, back Frecko. I broke it my toy. I love that.
Broke in my nose.
Yeah, broke it my nose.
I love Lil Michael.
Helmet. My tire's really low on air.
Oh, it
yeah,
is.
so Sarah's gonna take it for a jump. Oh god, that tire's gonna fold. Okay, let's see how it goes. Atta girl.
Oh, it's
The tire's flat. Nice jump though. Basketballs. Imagine playing basketball with like a tire, like some pro b-ball players, like. I want to say, like, river beating takes by far the most wrenching out of any like Volvo Motorsport discipline. River beating is a Volvo Motorsport discipline, by the way. It's like, it's a known thing. I think we're gonna call it there just because, you know, we can still get home. The car's still driving. We broke a GoPro, unfortunately. It still works, but it's all smashed up. It is my girlfriend. She's gonna be pissed. Yeah. But anyways, guys, that was really fun. Let me know what you want to see as far as this car goes. It's a pretty good little setup now. I probably won't build on it too much more. I might put a camshaft in it, make it a little bit more powerful. But it rips really good. As you can see, like now that we have the welded diff and, you know, once I was giving her out there, it was launching dirt like really far. It's got plenty of power. Actually, my good friend Jake, you all, if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you all know Jake, the guy with the BMW powered Drift 740. So he's actually got a long travel Ford Ranger that he built that's really good for jumping. So if you guys want to see that on a video, we could take it down here and we could have like a competition between the 940 and that Ford Ranger. If I try to jump as far as Jake in that truck, I will for sure break my spine. But maybe it'll be some pretty sweet footage. So anyways, guys, I think I'll leave you there for today. Yeah, like and subscribe for blistering Volvo sores. Peace out.